this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run multiple TikTok adverts with the same budget. And yes, you do not have to sell your kidney to run TikTok adverts. God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Let's jump right in. If you ask me, why is this important? Because testing is everything. At times, you do not know the advert that will convert well for you the most. At times, you have come up with like 4 content and you're like, okay, should I put a lot of money on this or this or this? But with testing it, you can know which one would work better. I'll be showing you a screen recording that would show you how you can run this ads, but I would like to explain some vital information that would help you in this journey. Tell me what you think in the comment section now. You're welcome. You're welcome. First thing is, testing is everything. You do not know if the advert would convert or not till you try it. So what is the goal behind all this? The goal is try to run like 4 adverts, and whichever converts the most, you can now start running it as ad full time. Some will not even convert at all. There are some content that you feel like, this content is good, it's going to convert. By the time you put everything together, it has happened to me. The one that I thought I should convert the most was not converting, but the one that I didn't really think much about was converting the most. So I had to switch off the rest and now run that one individually. Okay, before you say, Deborah said we should test our adverts and go and pack different orishi like Sisi Alago, you're on your own. What kind of advert or content should you group together? The ones with the same target audience, or the one that is needed by the same or similar set of people. You could also run adverts with the ones that you know that they are complementary products. This, e.g., you sell shoe and bag. That's like the most easiest example, right? You can run an advert with shoe, with bag, because anyone that likes shoe would most likely need a bag to complement the shoe. That's why most vendors selling shoe sells bags. Most vendors selling bags also sells shoes. They are complementary products. Another similar example is my business store collections. We sell items for gift and for personal use. I could run an advert and the goal is for gift and maybe customized item. You know, we could run ads for a journal, a customized bracelet, customized chain, and the goal is for gifting. We could also do another one that is meant for personal use, and the languages in all those content will be personal use, personal use, personal use. Do you understand? So because you are going to be picking the same audience for all of them, so if the people that need them are different, that's a problem. Multiple TikTok adverts. Click on TikTok Studio. Scroll down. Click the promote icon. You would automatically see something like this. In fact, recently, TikTok would already help you select maybe your top 5 video, maybe in the last 2 days. And you see the 5 creative, but do not follow what they choose for you, because you are the one that know your content and the one tailored to each audience. You just come, remove the ones you want to remove, and click your own. You can even close it here. Close. So let's say I want to run advert for this jewelry box. I can pick different content of that jewelry box and run adverts with it. Confirm. Then you choose your ad goal. You choose your budget. Since it's multiple adverts, you could make your budget maybe 7K or thereabout. Put the number of days. Scroll here. Agree to the terms and condition, and you start. So it's basically not starting because the coin left. The network is bad. It's not starting because the coin left won't be sufficient. All you have to do is to click on start. I'm not going to start this because I do not want to run this advert. Okay, I can start and stop it though. Okay, so then click on start. You see the paying. Afterwards, you see your advert has been approved. The advert will get under review and is going to be approved. Now let me show you from the previous multiple adverts that I ran. I just used it as a test. How am I able to check the analytics? Because you can check the analytics, which one is performing the most. Let me scroll down. Yeah, I spent 20,000 on this. Can you see the +4? So if you can see +4 +3, that means it's multiple content I used in running the advert. You click on it. Click on see more. No, click on by video. This is how you know the best performing video. So I used, for this one, I used 5 content to run the advert, and here is the breakdown. A particular video more money was going into a particular video, he had more views, he had more inquiry. Some video naturally had lesser views, less money was put into it. So that shows me that the second one is the top content that is giving the most result. So the best thing to do is to double down on that second one. And I had thought that is this first one that will give me the most result, but it did not. So that is one of the advantage of testing your advert, because the one that you thought will give you the most results might even give you the least results. Please, let everyone say I don't try for you. Please like this video, as it shows the algorithm this is a good content, and it shows it to more people like you that needs to see this content. Thank you for your help, Mercy Baka. I'd also like to point it out that timing is a great thing when it comes to something like this. Do not start in the morning and end this at night and say this is my best performing content. Give it 3 days, give it 5 days, give it 6 days. Do not stop it too early and pick a best performing advert, because at times the one that seems to be performing well the most at the beginning would just switch right in front of you. Do you understand? Kindly like this video, as it's going to help the algorithm know it's a very good content and push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you, Mercy Baka. Let's talk about what you should not do. Don't mix things. Some people are selling products that are way apart. E.g., someone is selling kitchen utensils and they're also selling jewelry. They should not be used together to test a creative. Like, you're going to confuse the algorithm, okay? With a budget as low as $3 daily, 3,000 naira daily, you can try this out. Everyone should try this out. Also, do not use too many videos. Don't say, oh, the brother said we can use a lot of video, so let me pour video. I have a detailed course on how to run TikTok advert that converts into sales. In the course, I spoke about content, community guidelines that would affect your page if you do not take them seriously, how to fund your TikTok ad account, how to reduce tax when it comes to TikTok, how to reduce it with up to 25%. So you'll be paying only 10% against the usual 35% you pay when you load your account to run advert. The class is detailed. We spoke about content pillars, how to run TikTok advert that basically look at that. And personally, I sell on TikTok. I'm not just making out. For someone that started selling on TikTok in 2025 and has been selling on TikTok, I'm your guy's guy. When running multiple adverts, one thing you must not forget is think like an African mother. They will combine rice and beans for us. They go hand in hand. Bread and butter, bread and egg. Do not go and do seafood, okra, and rice. It's gonna purge you. In this playlist, I share different things about TikTok advert that would help you run more converting adverts for your brand. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'm definitely going to see you in my next one. I love you so much, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Bye, guys.